Hi children, this is your ANR sir. Welcome you to ANR Academy. Today in our Mathematics for All examination series, we learn trigonometry. And today's lesson is for class 10th students. Today we learn square relations. Today we learn about square relations. That means sine square theta. How do we write sine square theta? We write like this. Sin square theta, we write like this. But not sin theta square. No. How do we write sin square theta? In the same way, we write cos square theta, tan square theta, cot square theta, secant square theta, cosecant square theta. So now there are some relations of squares. So first one is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. What is the first square relation? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So let us draw a right angle triangle. Let us draw a right angle triangle. A, B, C. Right angle at angle B. Right angle at angle B. And let us define this angle C as theta. Let us define angle C as theta. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to opposite side. What is opposite side for angle theta? AB by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? AC. Hypotenuse is that side which is opposite to 90 degrees. So AC your hypotenuse. So sin square theta is equal to AB square by AC square. Listen. Sin theta is equal to what? AB by AC. Sin square theta will be AB square by AC square. So now, what is cos theta? So according to this angle theta, adjacent side is BC. What is adjacent side? BC by hypotenuse AC. So in the same way, cos square theta is equal to BC square by AC square. Now what we have to prove? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So let us write sin square theta means what? AB square by AC. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is your sin square theta? AB square by AC square. Plus what is cos square theta? BC square by AC square. So let us add. What is LCM? AC square. So we have to divide this LCM by denominator. AC square by AC square. 1. 1 into AB square. AB square. Plus LCM by denominator. AC square by AC square. 1. 1 into BC square. BC square. Clear? So we know in rectangle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to base square by perpendicular square. This is base and this is perpendicular. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. What? AC square. So AC square by AC square cancels and you get 1. So what is that? In any right angle triangle, base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square, because in a right angle triangle, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Yes. So now let us go to the second square relation. What is the second square relation? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So tan theta according to this diagram theta. What is your tan theta? Opposite side, that means AB by adjacent side BC. So tan square theta is equal to AB square by BC square, or 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 plus AB square by BC square. So let us take LCM and add. What is LCM? BC square. LCM divided by denominator, BC square by 1, BC square into 1, that means BC square plus AB square. So according to that right angle triangle, what is BC square plus AB square? AC square. What? AC square by BC square. So according to our definition, what is hypotenuse square by adjacent side square? It is secant square theta. So your 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Understood? So now let us take the third square relation. What is the third square relation? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So according to this diagram, what is your cot theta? Cot theta is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Cot square theta is equal to BC square by AB square. Let us add 1 to both sides. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to 1 plus BC square by AB square. And what will be your LCM? AB square. LCM divided by denominator 1. AB square divided by 1. That means AB square. AB square into 1. AB square plus BC square. So in any right angle triangle, the square of base and the square of altitude is equal to hypotenuse square. So this is AC square by AB square. So what is AC square by AB square according to our Definitions, it is cosec square theta. So 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So I think you understood these square relations. So from these square relations, we can deduce some other relations also. From these square relations, we can deduce, we can take some other square relations. What is that? From this, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. That is what we did. We took this cos square theta to other side of that equality. So sin square theta, here what is the sin of cos square theta plus? When you change to other side, it becomes minus. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. That means what I did, I kept cos square theta here and I exchanged that sin square theta to other side of the equation. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. From this you can find tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. What I did, I kept this tan square theta here and took that 1 to other side of the equation. Here, in the same way, cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1, or tan square theta minus secant square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Like that also we can write. What I did, I took this tan square theta to other side. So secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. What I did, I took this tan square theta to other side of that equation. So secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. In the same way, when I take this cot square theta to other side, it becomes cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So all these are formulas, and you should remember all those formulas to simplify the given problem. I think you understood these square relations in trigonometry, and tomorrow again I come up with a new chapter. Till then, have a nice day, and thank you for watching my video. And if you like my video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Mathematics for All Examinations. Have a nice day.